however, I get 2.7 heads.
There's a great need for teachers in mathematics at all levels of education. In particular, high schools across the nation are in need of good math teachers. The program at Northwestern provides you a good foundation to become a math teacher both in the state of Oklahoma and elsewhere. We have a caring faculty that really care about our students and are interested in our students being successful. In addition to math education, there are other areas that a math degree will serve you well. There's a great need for statisticians. The field of actuarial science is a high need area for people with good problem solving and critical thinking skills, and mathematics and statistics can lead towards that type of a program.
Dr. Meharry does a really good job at breaking things down and explaining it, and so he's showing me basically how to be a good math teacher, which is nice. But then also in my education class with Dr. Mackey, he talks about the different reasons behind why teachers do different things. So it's kind of cool to see correlate with each other.
Many students that are interested in mathematics also go on to pursue degrees in engineering. We have a large number of students that come to us and go through our pre-engineering program. They're able to get a lot of their mathematics, their algebra and trigonometry and calculus courses, as well as courses in chemistry and physics that can then lead to an engineering degree at another institution.
The fun part of computer science is that a lot of it is integrated together. The same programming that you use to make Microsoft Excel or a Facebook type thing or an email service is the same type of programming that you would use to make a video game. It's not a different language or idea or structure. I can use the same programming language to make a website and at the same time make a game. And this also brings in robotics because it's the same programming as a base layer of understanding. That's why at Northwestern we focus on programming quite a bit and getting you practice at that and getting you into the world with that programming knowledge, because if you can program one thing, you can program anything. Esports as a term can be a little confusing, but the gist of it is that it is an electronic sport. A lot of multiplayer games that exist today for people to play have a team versus team aspect to it. Over time, people have gotten really good at playing video games. And collegiate aspect of it is it's a pretty big growing industry. Most schools now that are of a larger size have built their own areas and do their own scholarships for esports, including Northwestern. We recruit players and we use our new esports arena area to play against other schools in the state of Oklahoma and in other tournaments that would take us to play against other larger schools or smaller schools across the United States.
Esports is one of the fastest growing industries in the United States now. Colleges around the nation are giving out scholarships to give to their students who compete. And not only that, even in the computer science side of things, there is a game design class where we learn more about how these games work and how they're made. And that allows us to take those games and appreciate them even more.
Almost every business in the United States has a computer that needs someone to run it. So if you go through as a computer science major, you are definitely going to be able to find a job out in the market right now. And especially moving onwards, everything's still going to need a computer in the future.
Typically, each year in the mathematics and computer science department alone, we offer anywhere from $14,000 to $16,000 of scholarships just for math and computer science students alone. So it gives a real opportunity for our majors to not only complete their degree here, but also complete it without accumulating a lot of debt.